Hi, I'm Grant Moon. I'm here in Texas at Hoofwatch, and I'm doing a video on behalf of St. Croix Forge. What I'm doing is I'm introducing the St. Croix SureFit Xtra Hind. It's a slightly wider web shoe. It's got a little bit more thickness for durability. It's 3/4 fullered with a V crease, get good nail fit. It's got upright heels to give support. On the hoof side, it's seated out, take away some work, and slightly boxed at the heels. We're going to take the shoe and make onion heels, but we're not going to double fuller it this time. We don't want to add traction. We're going to add ground surface, but not traction. We're going to seat out the inside edge of the heels, but this will leave it so that we have to make a more perimeter fit to the foot. On this hind shoe, we're going to set the toe. That starts with a roll, and then the material is bent back like a clip. This is to prevent the foot from wearing at the toe. This works extremely well on older, stiffer horses. Because this isn't a wide-fitting shoe, we're looking for more support but not extension. I'll mark on it where the foot's going to fit onto the shoe. Now that'll give me an idea where I can forge the shoe down and pull the inside edge down to widen the section so we get more ground surface, but we've still got a place for the foot to sit on. So I'll line myself up so I can see the inside of the heel, and I pull the inside of the heel down with the flat of the hammer, stretching the material, double overlapping my hammer blows. As I started stretching the material, I come with a rounder hammer, and I pull the material down more. Overlapping all the hammer blows, and being careful that I leave a surface for the foot to stand on. So we've widened the heel about 30%. So now we're going to do the other heel. Turn the shoe away from me so I can see the inside of the heel. Start pulling the heel down with the flat of the hammer. Once we've got it started, turn to the round of the hammer, being careful not to over narrow the hoof surface. Double overlapping the blows so we get a really nice finish on our surface. So now we've widened both heels, we can work on the toe. Now to make the set toe is a two-step process. The first step is to put a roll on the toe, following the radius of the shoe, but roll the toe. And once we've rolled the toe, then we're going to set it back like a clip. Put it in the edge of the anvil, and I'll push the toe back. And as I push the toe back, I'll drop the shoe down. And what we're basically making is a big clip. Roll the toe, put my hammer at an angle, hitting into the surface from toenail to toenail, blending out as I get to the toenail. So it has the most slope at the center of the toe and blends out. And with this roll toe, we're trying to pull the material down a little bit to widen the shoe at the toe. That'll give us a little bit more material to make the set toe. I set it over the anvil, the amount I want the set to fill the hoof wall. And then I pull the set toe back and I'll hit down onto it and I'll work across the toe. I'll do it in probably 2 or 3 passes. As I'm doing it, I'll change the angle of my tongs to change the angle of my set. I line the toenails up parallel to the edge of the anvil. Little angle, push the toe backwards. Couple of passes. We'll level it. I'll look at the angle of the set. I want to bring it back more vertical. I'll put it over the edge of the anvil again. I'll level behind the set toe. Level the shoe, set my toe, clean up the edge. I'll flatten the shoe. Now I'm ready to fit the shoe and finish the shoe off with grinding. Now I'm pairing the SureFit Xtra shoe with the Capewell 5 Slim Blade nail. What I'm looking for is a good head fit in the full ring.